Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. This morning I'm going to teach you how to add a footer or a header to your sheets, to your spreadsheets on Excel before you print. So for example, I've got this footer that says Yo Mama, or maybe I want page numbers, or maybe I want a header on every page that I print. Here's how you set that up. Let's get started. So when I'm printing or when I'm ready to add a header, I go to page layout right here. Okay, page layout, this right here at the top. And I choose print titles, this one. Okay. I choose header and footer, and I can select from some default. If I just want the page number, I would just select this. If I want the sheet name, I would just select this. If I want any of these other options, the project name, the workbook name, whatever else, I can select those. But let's say I want a custom one like Yo Mama. I would choose custom header, and I can choose if I want it on the left, the center, or the right. Type what I want that to say. Maybe I want a little hyphen at the start and end, and I click OK. Same thing with the footer. I can choose a custom footer right here. Choose if I want it on the left or the right, or maybe I want it on all three. Left, center, and right. I could add the date and time too with these presets right here. I click OK. Then I click OK. Now we learned in the last tutorial that I made how to print previews. So if I do Command or Control P, we'll pull up my printing box, and I can go to PDF here, open in preview, and I can check out what those headers and footers look like. At the top it says Yo Mama, at the bottom it says Yo Mama, Yo Mama, Yo Mama. Okay, so that is how you create headers and footers in Excel. Hopefully that helps. It's how you page number things in Excel. And if you want to learn more about Excel, check out the playlist. At the time I made this, I've got over 30 tutorials, and the link to those tutorials is in the description of this video. Check it out, and make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.